Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For the past few weeks, I've been focusing on making cutting boards. I kind of got a comment wondering if Bucky could make anything else but a cutting board, but you know what? Yeah, I could. I'm trying to make what makes me happy, and that's cutting boards. I find that I do it well, and I care a lot about it. It has a lot of intricate detail involved with it. It's not just taking a piece of wood, cutting it into a size, and putting mineral oil on it. There's a lot more to it than that. There's so many different ways to manufacture them, and they take time, and a lot of work goes into a lot of different cutting boards that you see on the internet today. And it's kind of an art, and I really enjoy doing it. To answer your question, yes, I've made so many things over the years. I can't even begin to tell you. And I've given them away. I've made them as gifts. I've never really had a business going, and I still don't have a business going. I make things for people because they ask me to make them, not because I'm advertising, not because I want to open up a retail establishment. That's not what my intent is. My intent is to provide content for the viewer. For people like myself, when I got started woodworking back when I was a kid, I didn't have videos to look at. I looked at other people's stuff, and I built things because of the need to build things. Because I didn't have a whole lot of money in fact, any money to buy things. I had to build things. So over the years, I just developed a technique and maybe a level of perfection that made me happy. No way am I a professional furniture maker or cabinet maker. Yes, I can build those things. They take me a lot longer to build than the professionals, but yes, I can build them. And will I build them without any imperfections? Absolutely not. I'm not perfect, but I do put a lot of time and effort into what I build, and that's what I value the most, or what I think people value the most. So what I'm about to show you is, yes, another cutting board video, and I'm sorry for disappointing a specific fan, but you know what, I don't really think I'm disappointing him. Or her, whoever that may be, but I think you're coming back to watch because you want to come back and watch and see what I'm building. So yeah, you probably would like to see something different, but this cutting board that I'm about to show you is the first project that I've made since starting my YouTube channel, and it is very special to me because I made it for a very special friend. And as a gift for them, for their support and love for our family. And I really put a lot of time and effort into it, and I really wanted it to be perfect, which it's not, but it's perfect to them, and that's really what it's all about. So sit back and enjoy a short, I promise you, a short rendition of how I built this end grain cutting board. Okay, just up a bunch of cherry boards that I had and some maple. And I think I'm going to make a cutting board. Well, there you go, my friends. Something that my friend will probably cherish for the rest of her life. And I certainly enjoyed building it. I learned a lot. There again, it was my first project ever as Bucky's Customs. So thank you again, everyone, for watching. Thank you for coming back and enjoying the content that I'm putting up. By all means, please subscribe and ring the bell so that you can get notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Be safe out there.